In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a quote on Gumloop 2026, step by step. We're going to build a simple, reliable workflow that turns information from a Google Sheet into a clean, professional business quote. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click, what to enter, and how to run it so you can generate quotes on demand. Start by opening Gumloop in your browser. Once the app loads, look to the left-hand side of the screen. That sidebar is your main navigation. From there, click Workflows to open the workspace where all your automations live. Next, select Create Workflow. Give your workflow a clear name and short description so it's easy to recognize later, especially if your team shares the account. Now we'll set up how this process begins. In the new workflow canvas, choose to add a trigger. Then click Add Trigger to pick the specific source that will kick things off. For this build, choose Google Sheets Reader. This tells Gumloop to read data from a spreadsheet, like your list of clients, line items, prices, and any taxes or discounts. If it's your first time, you might be prompted to connect your Google account and allow access. Just follow the on-screen instructions. Select the right spreadsheet and tab, and make sure your sheet has clear headers and consistent formatting so the workflow can map fields correctly. With the trigger in place, open Ask Gummy for help. Gummy is the built-in assistant that can assemble the steps needed to transform your sheet data into a polished quote. In the prompt, clearly state your goal. Create a professional business quote from the Google Sheet input. Specify what you want included. Your company details, client name, itemized services or products, quantities, unit prices, subtotals, taxes, total due, payment terms, and any notes. If Gummy asks follow-up questions, just provide the column names and any formatting preferences you care about, like currency or date format. Give the system a moment to work. It may take some time to analyze your inputs and generate the necessary steps. While it's processing, avoid closing the tab so everything saves properly. Once Gummy finishes, you're ready to run the workflow. Click Run and watch the execution panel for logs and the final output. Review the generated quote to confirm names, numbers, and totals look right. If something needs tweaking, like a mislabeled column or a rounding rule, adjust the configuration or refine your prompt, save, and run again. That's it. You've created a Gumloop workflow that pulls structured data from Google Sheets and turns it into a professional quote, ready to share with your client.